Ish, ish. Oh, anytime, oh, anytime. Naija Remix from West to Naija. Jerusalema, ikaya lami, ilondoloze, uambe nami, sungangi shilana. My eternal home, Jerusalema, my eternal home. Lord protect me as I dey roam. No leave me for this world alone. Oh, this life you get as it be. Many trials they follow me, but I know say you they see every pain inside of me. This world no be my final bus stop. So I'm a ukolana. Heaven gate now where I did look up. To the fire, through the rain, to the hustle and the pain. Father hold me, make I no fall. Guide my steps anytime I call. If I walk out through valley, if darkness surround me, I no go fear anything, cause you there with me. Jerusalema, ikaya lami, kilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangi shilana. Jerusalema, my eternal home. Carry me go, make I no wrong. No leave me stranded on my own. See the blessings falling like rain, even when I face this strain. You they give me peace of mind, joy with money no fee buy. Enemies I'm trying to fight, but your light it shines so bright. Now your grace they carry me from the start till eternity. I dey pass through like traveler, but so I'm a ukolana. Heaven citizen forever. Kilondoloze, 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 zungangi shilana. Protect me, Baba, hold me tighter, no forsake me, my provider. When my strength is getting low and I don't know where to go, remind me, say I no belong to this world of right and wrong. Jerusalema calling me, where my soul go finally free. Till that day I go stand strong, sing this everlasting song. Jerusalema, ikaya lami, kilondoloze, uhambe nami, zungangi shilana. Jerusalema, when my race finally done, carry me go, make God reach your throne.